How to unsave pins on Pinterest. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Pinterest tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unsave pins on Pinterest. So if you have any pins on your Pinterest account that you want to unsave, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to do that. Now, while I'll be doing this in the Pinterest app on my phone, you can follow similar steps if you're in a browser. The menus might just be a little different. So to find your pins, select your profile icon on the bottom right of the app, and then just make sure you select Saved. From here, we want to find the pin that we want to unsave, and rather than selecting it, long press the pin, and then in the menu, slide over to the pencil for edit, and then let go. From here, we can edit the pin, including the title, description, which board it's in, and then also the website link. If we go all the way to the bottom, you'll see delete this pin. Well, all you need to do is select that, then confirm that you do indeed want to delete that pin. Once you delete it, then it will be unsaved and no longer visible in your saved pins on Pinterest. All right, so that's how you unsave pins on Pinterest. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Pinterest tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.